Oh no, that's on video.
It's on video, it is. Forward.
Don't yell at me.
See, I wasn't kidding, the brushes are big.
Yeah.
I told you. No, it's probably doing the back. Jesus. Yeah, this took like 6 minutes for a video. Yeah, it's doing the back brushes.
Oh, here it comes.
It's so hard for me to do it from back there. When I was back there, I did it like turns the camera. See? The big brush is gonna come down. No. Yep.
Ah! It looks like we're gonna get squished.
No. My Dutch truck cannot go in here, unfortunately, because of the things on top.
Oh, yeah.
That will go.
Oh my gosh.
Stop. No, I feel the top of the top brush. But unfortunately, the top brush is back there. Unfortunately. Yeah, I never trusted my dad with car washes. I put my hand on the window, he rolls down the window. I'm like, no. No.
Are you sure?
No.
I think you forgot to shower this morning.
No, I'm not, no. You. Look at that hole.
It's just gonna brush your hair.
Doesn't feel that much. I was washing it. What's the point of it?
Washing.
It does the wheels at the end. It does it. Dude, I don't even have to turn it around. Oh, I'm running out of storage, you idiot. What's doing? Frick. Ugh, water. How tall did I say the brushes were? Not that tall. Now we're doing the colors. Look at that. Oh God, it's unicorn blood. Good. Little brushes. Rinse. Look at that. Ooh. Rinsing.
Woo!
No, it's rinsing it too much. Now we're doing the tires.
Clean my tires.
We will check it out when we get into the school. We'll check it.
Yeah, see how clean it looks.
And now we're probably gonna do drying. No, rinsing. See, all colors. All the colors on that LED lights. And then drying right here, see?
Wait, I don't have to.
You have to pull out when it dries too.
Oh, okay.
See, I wasn't kidding how tall the brushes are.
Yeah, you really weren't. It looks like a mop man. Did it do the undercarriage?
Yeah, it did the side carriage. That's what it did. That's why you saw the sprays on the side. Megan was like confused, like, how did I do it? Put vehicle in park. Stop. Slow down. Back up. God, freeze.
I can't believe it drives my car right here.
See, when you feel the top though, when you feel the top of this thing, you'll feel the air.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I wasn't kidding.
Yeesh. It's strong.
And now we wait until the out comes. And wait until it, if you hear that. See?
Ah,
It-
second dry.